for the sweet sauce, Donair sweet sauce. So this is what I'm gonna need to make it. I have 2 sweetened condensed milk. So these are both the same, it's just a different brand. You can get 2 of these or 2 of these and 1 of these evaporated milk. And then garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. And I have a vinegar here. So I'm gonna need a ½ cup of vinegar. If you want to use 1 can, you can use half of the evaporated milk, ½ can, and 1 of these. So if you don't want to make it 2, I'm gonna make lots. So this is gonna be a lot. And I have 1 bottle here. This is the bottle I'm gonna be using. So you can put it in any bottle. So I'm gonna pour it in here. And you're gonna need the mixer. My mixer is a little bit fast. If you have a lower one, it's good. To beat it lower. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna pour all these 3 in here, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks. Here, this is, I added 2 condensed milk, and then I add 1 teaspoon of garlic, and this is the second. That's how much it is. And then my evaporated milk, I'm gonna add it gradually, just a little by little. So I'm gonna add this much for now. And you need to use this spatula, that way you can clean your can, take every bit out. Okay, now I'm gonna start you see the color is yellow, so it should turn into white. So I'm gonna be beating it for, as I said, mine is a little higher. If you have a lower number, it's better. To beat it a lower, it's better. So I'm gonna beat it for about 5-6 minutes, and then I'll show you after. So I'm still beating. As I am beating per minute, I'm adding a splash of this, and I continue beating. The reason I'm adding this evaporated milk, because condensed milk is too sweet. So I don't want it, it's gonna make it a very nice balance, not too sweet. So I'm gonna continue beating. So here I added all the evaporated milk. As you can see, it's pretty runny. And now I'm gonna be mixing it as I go. I'm gonna add my vinegar, just a little splash at a time as I go, for until it's done, maybe another couple minutes. So here how it looks after a couple minutes of adding the vinegar. And I'm gonna put in the bottle and in the fridge. If you ever come across that your sauce is too thick, just add a little bit of evaporated milk if you have, or just regular milk. If it's too runny, you can add vinegar. That's the only secret for it, to keep it thicker. And here it is, it's all in the can. This is how you make sweet sauce for a doner poutine that I have here. As you can see, it tastes so good, and try making it. I hope you enjoy making it and eating it. Thanks for watching.